Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2015 Nissan Navara SE dual cab ute. This shape runs from 9th month 05 up to 8th month 15. This is a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-drive transmission. YD25 4-cylinder 2.5 litre engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and right hand side of the vehicle. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch rims, left hand front 16-inch factory rim with good tyre, left hand front door in insurance quality, left hand side factory side step, left hand rear door has been damaged in an accident, sports bar, left hand rear factory 16-inch rim with good tyre, left hand taillight was damaged in an accident along with the tailgate. We've got a factory black sport bar, right hand taillight damaged in an accident, right hand rear factory 16-inch tyre with good wheel, right hand rear and right hand front doors are damaged. Here we have the right hand side step, right hand front factory 16-inch mag has been damaged in an accident. This vehicle has factory grey cloth interior, console lid, centre console, manual gear stick, left hand sun visor, factory 2-spoke grey vinyl steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. This vehicle is fitted with a factory 6-stack CD player. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.